Take away, take all you want.
Anybody? Jenna? Are you taking it?
But we can't really
Yes?
deal with it for like a week and a half.
Oh, it's not going anywhere.
Oh!
Jenna, do you need any Pachysandra? Or anyone need Vinca?
Go!
What is text? Is it just green or is it a yellow?
No.
It's this, right around the tree.
A brief time in the spring, it gets just a little white
farther back.
thing on it. It's not super noticeable. But then when it grows the new growth on it, it's a pretty lighter green.
Well, maybe if I get my back area cleaned out. My goal this year.
Right.
Kick it. Kick it.
Kick
it again.
You guys.
Alright, just throw it.
Yeah, really. Handball.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay, go back there and dribble.
Okay, perfect.
Dribble into the goal. Both feet. Drop it on the ground. Put it up. Now use both feet.
I'll smack it.
Go 1, 2, like that. So with your teeth. Use your teeth.